I just want to share my impression with you about these M Audio BX3 graphite 3.5 inches monitor studio speakers. So I really like about them that there's many ways to connect them. I currently using them with my audio interface, which is a mixer, and I have connected them using the 3.5 millimeter jack right on the front, but most people won't do that because on the back of the main speaker, because you're gonna find two other ways to connect them to your system. So over here we have unbalanced RCA connectors, and over here we have balanced connection in case you prefer using this kind of connector. And if you have an audio interface, obviously you will have those connections right over here. The output towards the second speaker, because this second speaker only has this input since it's the passive speaker. And on the main speaker, if we go down below, gonna see active speaker position. Therefore you can place this speaker on the left or on the right. You just have to specify where you have put it. Otherwise, we have a power connection over here. This is how I have connected it to my wall outlet. And on the front, there's a headphone jack with a volume knob over here and a small LED telling you that they're currently powered on. In the box, they came with the power cable. They came with the audio cable that you will need to use to link them together, the 3.5 millimeter. They also come with a manual and some foam pads that I didn't use them. I'll probably stick them there. So when you put them on a desk like they are right now, they won't vibrate that much. In the box, they also included this RCA cable, which is RCA to 3.5 millimeter audio cable. And they also included another 3.5 millimeter audio cable to 3.5. I won't use this one, and even the RCA, I don't really need it since I already found a way to connect them to my system. But it's nice that they offer all these options in the box, so you don't have to purchase anything. These are 120 watts and they get pretty loud. I never use them at full power because it will be a bit too loud for me, but it's nice to know that, hey, if you want to crank this volume to the max, they will still sound good. They don't distort that much when you put the volume to the max. For some small monitor studio, I cannot ask more. The only thing that I wish they would include in the box is a mesh, a protector, a grill to protect these speakers, since I definitely don't want to poke the tweeter over here or this one over there, and since they're exposed, I'll need to be very careful when I store them to not bang them too much. But otherwise, I'm quite happy with the sound quality. I have a bigger pair of 5 inches monitor studios, and obviously those can get a lot louder than these, but sound quality wise, I think this is perfect, especially for the size. It's hard to ask more. If you want to get them from Amazon, I'll put a link in the description down below. Also put links to other pairs if you want. If you were looking for some speakers simply to plug them to your computer to play games and, you know, watch YouTube, these are great as well. But for music production, I think this is where they really shine. And yeah, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.